In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to use effects on TikTok Live. So what you're going to do firstly is to open up your TikTok app and then come to your homepage, or rather to your profile right here, as you can see. And now when you're on your profile, then what you're going to do is to firstly click on the plus symbol so that you get to this page right here, as you can see. Now what I'm going to do is to just swipe to the right here, so I get to the live option, as you can see. Now before going live, what you can do to be able to quickly use an effect on your TikTok Live straight away when you go live basically is to click where it says effects, as you can see. So just click on effects right here and then you should be taken to this page right here. Now in here you will be able to see all of the effects that you can use on TikTok Live. You can click on new, for example, and then you will be able to find new effects, or click on trending, or you can even, I'm not sure actually if you can search for it, sorry, but you can basically click on trending new atmosphere, as you can see, then scroll all the way to the right, and in here you will be able to find a bunch of TikTok effects that you can use. So just choose the one that you want to be able to use. I'm just going to take a random one, for example this one right here. Then you can just click on go live after that, and that is basically exactly how to do this.